Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about your topic India, size and location. Subtopic is India's neighbor. Yesterday we will discuss about in this chapter India, size and location. What is the location and size, and what is the importance of location of an area, of an country, and what is the size of India. Yesterday we discussed about these factors, what is importance of location and size and their role. Today we will discuss about the India's neighbors. भारत के जो पड़ोसी देश हैं या पड़ोसी राज्य, पड़ोसी देशों की क्या स्थिति है वो आप देख सकते हैं मानचित्र के माध्यम से भी. When you see the map of India, you found the northeast, northwest in the situated of the Pakistan. Pakistan country is located in the northwest side of India. Here is the location of Pakistan. After that, we will see China, Nepal, Bhutan. These are located in the north side. These countries are located in the north side. Here, Nepal, China, and Bangladesh. These are the located in the north side of India. And we go Myanmar and Bangladesh. Both are the neighbor countries situated in the east side. These are located in east side of India, Myanmar and Bangladesh. After that, we will go the Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka and Maldives are our southern neighbor. श्रीलंका और मालदीव हमारे दक्षिण भाग में स्थित हैं, या इनको हम दक्षिण पड़ोसी देश भी कह सकते हैं, जो हमारे साउथ में लोकेटेड हैं. सो श्रीलंका एंड मालदीव आर लोकेटेड इन साउथ रीजन, इन साउथ एरियाज. सो these are our neighbors, or we can say the India's neighbor countries, which is located in the around of India, north, west, north, east, and south. Beside this, you can see the Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer is divided into two equal parts of India. The behind of the lower part of the Tropic of Cancer, this area is called the peninsular part of India. Peninsular part of India, or we can say in Hindi प्रायद्वीपीय भारत. इस क्षेत्र को हम प्रायद्वीपीय भारत के नाम से भी जानते हैं. Now the question is come here, what is the peninsular part? What is the peninsular part? प्रायद्वीपीय भाग क्या है? So the simple answer is this: the which is land is covered from the three side of sea, we call it the peninsular part. So this is the peninsular part of India. It is covered the three side from the sea: the Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, and Hind Mahasagar, or Indian Ocean. So this is the important factor of India's neighbor and Tropic of Cancer, Peninsular Plateau. So today this is the topic, and we will continue in the next topic. The next is India's neighbors, importance, size and location. Thank you.